So I just finished that car wash like we said, and I'm gonna continue. I'm still in 5
Red
tons.
light camera ahead. Is that one of those little red lights I can never catch? I hate those and love them.
I know, but I'm gonna continue on the Nassau Expressway. Right now I'm heading on
Police ahead. Act like a cat and they won't even notice us coming.
Rockaway Turnpike, heading to Hillside. Like I said, you guys taking the ride with me, and I'm doing this video because some people never been to New York, doesn't know what New York is about or what it looked like other than looking at it on video. So when I talk with people, I try to explain what New York is like, no different from so many other different countries, cities. So as you can see, it's just a normal village. Just a little bit, I think it is a little bit more congested population. We have about 10 million people living in New York City. And crowded neighborhood. Alright, so let's go. A little bit of traffic here, whatever causing the traffic, I don't know, but I see when I go up the road. So I'm going to stop it here when I get out of the traffic.